Hi guys, thank you for joining me. Today is January 9th, 2022. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Washington State Governor declared a state of emergency on Friday, January 7th, after a series of winter storms struck Washington State beginning on December 17th, producing extensive rain and snow and causing hazardous driving conditions. It extended road closures on mountain passes and other roadways throughout the lowlands and high elevations statewide. Rain and snow hit the state in historic proportions again last week, flooding rivers and avalanches. I guess there was over 32 avalanches. As a result, nearly all of the major roads and train routes connecting Seattle to the rest of the state were shut down. The last time the region was cut off so much was in 1996, after an atmospheric river closed mountain passes in Interstate 5. They had record snowfalls, setting records which should help with drought conditions. Extreme winter weather are currently increasing around the world, breaking decade-old records of cold temperatures, ice, and snow. 2 examples is 3 feet of snow that fell in less than 2 hours in Washington State, and the 22 people that died when 4 feet of snow fell in Pakistan just overnight. The city of Leavenworth there in Washington received as much as 48 inches of snow in less than 24 hours, calling it unprecedented and record-breaking snowfall. Using Google Earth, here's the location of Leavenworth, Washington. Let me bring it out a little bit and you can see it compared to other places there in the state. A recent post from Snoqualmie Pass there in Washington says that it looks like the pass will reopen sometime today, Sunday. However, they still have a lot of work to do on White Pass, which will likely remain closed until at least Monday. That would be tomorrow. Here's some images from White Pass. They're evidently using snow blowers, and some of the drifts alone, were 16 feet deep. They're saying that because of snow and debris, more likely avalanches, trees down, they do not expect the pass to open until Monday. Part of the debris they're talking about is cars and trucks that will need to be removed. Here's an image of one of the trucks. It says semi-drivers drove through the closed signs on White Pass and get stuck in the snow. WSDOT said road crews had to rescue the occupants of the semi and guide them down behind a snow blower. Here's the latest post from Washington State DOT. It says Stevens is closed for 2 days due to flooding and avalanche. White, all 4 days because of flooding. Snoqualmie, all 4 days, avalanche and cleanup. And Blewett, for 2 days, floods and slides. This is a post that was put as of 10 a.m. January 9th today. I-95, evidently, they're going to have crews out tonight doing repairs for that road. Blewett is also supposed to reopen today. Here's another image of, I believe it's Blewett, an avalanche coming down and talking about the repairs that they're doing there, or the cleanup, trying to get the roads open. They're working on the eastbound lanes, trying to get those reopened. And as always, you should have winter weather survival gear in your automobiles and trucks. You should have a shovel so you can keep the exhaust pipe clear of snow so you don't die from carbon monoxide, which happened to many people there in Pakistan. Yeah, 22 people died. Cleaning off the signs so people can read the signs. Yeah, I'll give you a link to this video if you want to watch it. Yeah, you can see the water running across the road, which makes a hazard, especially at night when it refreezes. Extra clothing, kitty litter, that would be for traction if you get stuck, but definitely need a shovel to keep the snow away from your exhaust pipe. That can be deadly. Warm gloves, winter boots that you can change into, a backup battery for your phone, or a way to charge it so it doesn't go dead, so you can notify people what the current situation might be. Maybe a few energy bars for snacks to keep with you. In the beginning of this video, you'll see a flash of detonations. So this avalanche was deliberately created so they didn't have a hazard later and possibly killing people traveling along the road. And as always, when you go to leave somewhere, always tell someone when you're going, where you're going, what time you're expected to arrive, the route that you're taking, and if you change plans, notify people, change of those plans, so you take an alternative route so they know where to look for you if you don't show up. So if you have any added thoughts, please put those down below for winter survival in this extreme weather. And I'll also give you a link to this article if you want to know why we're having extreme weather. It's research. It's a paper that was published from the Atmospheric Chemistry and Physics Department about how climate change will be putting us into another ice age. Yeah, you heard me. Ice age. In short, what it talks about is how the Earth's energy rebalances as it warms up. And these changes are going to go on for about 200 years. So because of this, we're going to have extreme weather, tornadoes, hurricanes. Yeah, it's going to be very common in the future, which we are seeing right now. So, something to think about and be prepared for. Please stay safe. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. Thank you very much for your support. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.